Hi guys, Devjyoti here from websitube.com, and today I am going to tell you how to make Bootstrap 4 card slider. Okay, in my previous video I already tell you how to make card by using Bootstrap 4. If you want the link, I will give in the description as well as in the top right corner. Also you can click and see that video. Okay, so for my today's project, the final output will be like that. It will show like that. Okay, it will be very workable if you want to design some blog slider or e-commerce website product slider, like recent product or some feature products slider like that. It will be very useful, and it is very simple and very easy. I mean, there is no need to write huge CSS. There is very little CSS and very little JS will be there. Okay, so here I am taking a simple HTML5 page and Savage adds bootstrap card slider.html. Okay, so let's start. And before that, in the CSS I am adding a CSS file name like bootstrap comment card slider. You can take any name actually. Slider.css. Okay, so after that I need to add all these files. So first of all I have to add bootstrap link rel style set href css and in between bootstrap.css. okay, close it. Next I have to add link rel style set, and I'm going to add that card slider.css. Yeah, here it is, card slider.css. okay, so after that we need to move, we have to add that bootstrap js files. I mean, I am going to add here bootstrap cnds. So you have to go bootstrap for web pages. This is the codes, I mean, of JS files of the bootstrap 4. You can search it in bootstrap 4 official page also. Here it is, I am showing you again. This is the JS codes. Okay, the same thing I copy here there. Okay, so after that let's start the program. In the body session I have to go in the body session. I am going to taking a session. Class container, and I am giving some top padding top, some 3 or 4 something. 3 is very good. Okay, let's close that session. In the session, taking another row. Okay, let's close it. In between I'm writing the header session, so I'm taking each one and I'm giving like bootstrap card slider. by initiatives. So I'm going to color it. So taking a span, so SPAN span. Yes, I'm adding inline style sheet. Color some pink. I'm adding the deep pink. Close it. In between I'm taking this portion in the pen, so cut it and paste it here. Okay, after that, in the downside of the row, and you can do another thing. You can write this in a call MD also, but it will be default. You can see that, see, like that. So better to for better practice, like you can write in that div class call 12. Okay, or call LG12 also you can take. Okay, so downside of the row, I'm going to take cursor slider, the main slider icons. And another thing, I have to add font of some CSS also here. This is the font of some CSS. You can just Google it and type. In my previous video already I tell you how to find this font of some CSS. Just nothing, just go here, just type in Google search font awesome CND. Okay, you'll find lots of links for that. Actually the Bootstrap I'm going to use here. This is, and I mean wherever you can go in between that website. This is the address. I write the same address here. Okay, okay, and then I'm taking another div, give the space little bit, div div class container. No, container I already take, so I think not required more. Okay, I'm taking another session then, it will be better. After this session class that class will be, I think, cursor slider, CAROUSEL cursor SLIDER, cursor slider, and data ride equal to cursor. ID equal to post cursor. Okay, then close it. In between take a div class container, close it. In between div class equal to row. After in the row div class call 12, text right, margin bottom I'm giving 4. Sorry, it should be in between class. Margin bottom I'm giving 4. Okay, and text right means everything in between that will be towards to the left side. I mean alignment will be the right side. Okay, here class bottom I'm taking here by default bottom only. How to create bottom I already mentioned in my another video. You can see that bottom space bottom outline secondary TLINE bottom outline secondary and previous I'm going to take the previous class PREV and href I'm making it empty now. Title go back and after that let's close that anchor tag. In between I have to take that font person I class equal to FA I'm taking the large size dash LG and after that FA from left okay, let's close that I tag. Okay, this icon you can see that, and remaining everything will be same, just right will be there. Just copy it, paste it, change the title as a more, you can take anything, and this one right. Okay, and it will be next. Okay, so my navigation get prepared now. So now I have to take a container class container. After that padding top 0, margin top 2, after that carousel carousel inner, okay, so close it. After that I have to take row QL, div class row equal dash equal. After that carousel item active करना होगा, so CAROUSEL, sorry I make the wrong spelling, CAROUSEL, CAROU, so carousel dash item after that active, after that margin top 0, close it again. After that I have to design the cards, so I am here taking the 4 column card, means in card will occupy 4 columns in a middle device empty, and for the remaining it will, for the tablet SM and extra small device it will take the full thing, means total 12 columns. Okay, so take the div class call md4, close it, md4. After that taking the card, and how to design card I already tell you in my previous video, you can see that. Div class is equal to card, okay, so after that I have to take the image, no sorry, before image I have to write another div class card image card image top, means the image should be in the top position, and after that card, sorry it will be in between the classes and only card image top, and it will be like I'm taking the class 250. Okay, I'm taking a class name here only, so just close it, and after that I'm taking the image tab, img image and class img fluid. So img fluid means it will just take the image fully responsive. Okay, so src, so source, I'm taking some images here, I already have some image. Okay, some alt will do something, image 1 or something, or you can take it empty also. Okay, so close the image tag, so image is come now. After the div I have to take the card block, div class card block, and padding top 2. Okay, so in the card block I am taking div class card header. Okay, in the card header I'm going to like flower one. I mean whatever the you can you can take actually. I'm taking it in between a h3. Sorry. After the card header I have to do the card text. Sorry, class card text. I'm taking some random text. Okay, so save it and check how it's showing now. So I am going to take it 3 times. Copy it, save it, and let's check how it's showing now. Okay, so now one row is ready. So just again copy the same row, copy it and just like paste it. Okay, and in the second row just remove the active one, but remaining everything will be same. Okay, so now let's go to the CSS session. So here card slider CSS is there, open it. First of all I am going to take some margin in top and down side of the body. Okay, so body and margin, so 20 pixel 0. Okay, next row equal 1. I'm taking row equal div bracket class. I'm going to select all call dash, so equal to call dash. Okay, for that the property will be display flex and flex 1 Okay, and row equal for card, row equal dot card. For that width equal to 100%. Okay, so next gone to now write the CSS for ensure the equal card height inside of the carousel. So I'm taking dot C carousel CARO UACL carousel inner dot row equal dot active comma. So I just copy it because I have to write several times the same thing. Now next comma. Now previous for that display equal to flex. Okay, now prevent the flickering during the transaction. So for prevent the flickering, CAROUACL carousel inner dot row equal dot active dot left comma, and you can copy that because left and right, because everything will be same remaining. Now right, and for the code will be opacity 0.5 and transaction time opacity how much it will be. Okay, you can change that as you want, and you can display flex. Okay, so now I'm going to give the position and the size of the card image. Sorry, dot, I forgot, dot card image top 250. For that max height 250 pixel and overflow hidden. And after that I am going to give the card header color blue. Save it and check it. Okay, let's see in the real browser preview how it's look like. So it's this arrow is not working till now. So but okay, so you can see the slider is working, I think so. For that we have to wait some time. Yeah, it's working now, but I have to target it properly with the arrow. So for that I have to write some little bit of JS for that. Go to the down session, write script tag, okay, in between function $, bracket, use string, use strict, after that semicolon, okay, after semicolon it have to go little downside, again $, okay, I have to mention the next and previous functions, so dot next, for docs next the function will be event will be click, to write the function for that, function bracket open close, second bracket $, carousel, and double quote will be dot carousel, CAROU, carousel, again dot CAROU CL up dot next, so down the next, and for that return will be false, or return false, okay. So yeah, so everything will be the right, I think. Now just give some gap and again semicolon, just copy the same thing because everything will be same and only the next will be previous, so dot prev previous, you have to change here also prev previous, okay. So yeah, that's it, and after that come out of this function and jQu jQuery okay, let's save it. check again everything is working or not perfectly. Okay, function use string, and after that dot next click on the function and that dollar cancel CRO next return equal to false. Okay, we have to give a semicolon here. Save it. Okay, my project is I think ready. Now check the browser preview of that. Yeah, it's working now perfectly. You can see when I clicking here it's changing. Now what I have to do, just I have to change all these images little bit. You can do it on also. Going to select the button. Okay, so click the image and take some random images, whatever is the first, keep it at it. Okay, in that I'm going to change the image source, take some random images and the image okay, take some random whatever you can name, but the image size should be the same. I'm switching the code preview, it will be more easy. Yeah, this is the okay. Okay, so image and go to the third one and again this change it also, browse and the CM image fourth one, change it also, browse image sixth, like that. You can do it and save it and make in the browser preview. So preview is not available, it's fine. Okay, see, it's come properly. Okay, and you can change this flower 1, flower 2 like that, remaining you can change like that. Okay, thank you for seeing my video. If you like this, please subscribe my channel and like this video, and please check my blog also, and I'll give all the code link in my blog. Okay, from there you can directly copy paste, and I'll give a zip file of my I'll update all this file in my Google Drive, and I'll share the link. If you want, you can download that. Thank you.